Yo, $100 in your bank account. Huh, don't worry, it's about you have not from where you get. Are you thinking about spending it on Starbucks? Or Uber Eats again? Well, hold up, I got news for you. Hey, what are you showing close it? Bloody camera guy. So, hello once again, I am here. You can actually start building wealth with that $100, and we're not talking about getting a gold-plated latte. And no, I'm not saying you'll be the next Warren Buffett overnight. But hold up, what if you did though?
Kid, that's my job!
That's hurt. Here's the deal. I'm going to show you how to invest that $100 like a boss, with 100% monkeys free.
Did you just say 100% monkey free? Huh? Am I a threat to you? Bullshit.
It's time to break down the easy steps to wealth building. Buckle up. Let's make money moves, baby. Smash that like button, subscribe, and let's go. That monkey slap is more powerful than Buffett, sir. It's paining a lot. All right, let's start with the basics. You're here because you want to make your money work for you, right?
Yes!
Well, first things first. Before we get fancy, before we start talking crypto roller coasters or Elon Musk's spaceship investments, you gotta do this. Build an emergency fund.
What? Did he took my name? How could he use it without my permission?
Oh, that's nothing. I was forgot to ask for permission from Elon, sir. Now I got it. Now I know, this might sound boring. Kind of like when your friend says, hey, let's just chill at home and watch movies instead of hitting the club. But trust me, this is the foundation. Think of it like building a house on rock instead of sand, or like Elon Musk building a Tesla battery. Imagine if you were Elon and you didn't have a backup power supply during a blackout, you'd be toast. Why are you looking my behind? I took the permission from Elon, sir. So that's why. I can make jokes, not you. So get an emergency fund to make sure when life hits you with a curveball, like a monkey throwing bananas at you, you'll have the backup. Now next. Okay, once you've got that emergency fund stacked, it's time to turn up the heat with side hustles. You ever see Warren Buffett? Wait, Warren Buffett once again. This time, I will wear a helmet. Yes, got it. So Sir is chilling in his multi-million-dollar mansion and think, how the heck did he make that much money? Well, spoiler alert, Warren didn't just sit there and let his piggy bank grow by itself. He worked his butt off with multiple streams of income.
Ha! That's my all investment!
Yeah, I am safe, sir. Didn't hit me. Woohoo! Now, I'm not saying you should start your own billion-dollar empire, but maybe you could start a podcast, or become a freelance designer, or sell your old sneakers online, or even deliver Uber Eats, or maybe even become a monkey trainer for cash. Don't limit yourself.
Okay. Bruh.
Yeah, that's I was talking about. You want to start small, but dream big, baby. Imagine every side hustle is like a mini Elon Musk launching a rocket. It might take time, but you'll get there. OMG, I hadn't the permission this time, but still I am safe. Wow, thank God. Wait, something is coming. Okay, now let's take that $100 and start investing it. This is where it gets spicy. You've got index funds, you've got REITs, you've got stocks, and let's not forget crypto. Oh, and there's a monkey dancing in the corner with a Bitcoin t-shirt on. Did you understood what he want to say? Okay, first thing, let's talk about index funds. These are like the Avengers of investments. Each stock is a superhero and they're working together to save your financial future. You put your money in an index fund, and instead of investing in just one stock, which can totally tank like a bad date, you're investing in a whole bunch of them. With index funds, it's not about being the next Elon Musk.
Why he can't stop his trash ideas. Next time, I will do something which will cost him more than a galaxy.
Let's back to us, because his work is only to find mistakes. Let's continue. It's about being like Iron Man, strong, steady, and making small moves that add up over time. It's long-term play, baby, slow and steady, Buffett style. Now, on the other hand, if you're feeling a little wild, you might want to dip your toes into crypto. Let's be honest, crypto's like a fast bull with zero traffic laws. I know it doesn't make any sense. It's for fun, it's exciting, and it's a wild stallion that'll buck you off unless you can handle the ride. Just remember, never invest more than you're willing to lose. And if you're like Elon Musk, you could throw your whole house on the line to make a moon base. But that's you, not us.
Let me thought you lesson. You. But I wasn't abusing its editor who applied beep for a few seconds. I am not a bad guy.
Do you know who was the editor? That's me. Still, I am alive because only the help of NASA. Because he know the value I am providing is very precious than this monkey's banana. Tatsty banana, it's precious. What? The camera was still on? You camera guy. It's only beep. Okay, if you want to get really fancy with your $100, let's talk about real estate. Now, I know what you're thinking. I can't buy a house with $100. You're right. But guess what? You can invest in REITs, real estate investment trusts. These are like tiny slices of a mansion that you can own. Just remember, with real estate, you're playing the long game. You're not going to get rich overnight, but you can build an empire with REITs. Like, how the heck am I going to turn this into a fortune? Well, it's simple. Start small, make smart moves, and keep hustling. You might not be Elon Musk today, but with small strategic steps like building your emergency fund, side hustling like a pro, and investing in smart assets like index funds, rates, and maybe even crypto, you'll be setting yourself up for a future filled with options. Hey, are you getting it? Oh, that's nothing just happened. He wasn't listening. Be carefully. What about you? I know you are carefully watching. So, are you ready to go from $100 to rich and thriving? Well, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and for the love of money, keep that monkey out of your investments. If you've learned anything today, let it be this. Start small, stay smart, and build that wealth like a boss. I'll catch you next time.
You better hit like and subscribe or I am coming.